how to use dual WhatsApp option on Samsung Galaxy. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll on and click on advanced features. You will see advanced feature is here, so click on advanced feature. Now here, scroll down to end. Now here showing you dual manager, so click on dual manager. Now here you will see WhatsApp is here. So if you want to use dual manager WhatsApp, so first of all turn on this button. So after turn on this button, click on install. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can use dual WhatsApp option on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.